Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from a video for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to your browser and then you have to search for watermark remover, and then there will be a lot of websites you can use to remove watermark from your video, but I recommend you to select this website guys, online video cutter. I'm going to go to this website and I'm going to remove my watermark using this website. You just need to click on open file right here, and then you can choose the video you want to remove the watermark from. I'm just going to select this one and we can click on open. Okay, and then we can select the watermark that we want to remove. We just need to select it like this. Okay, then you can click on apply. Alright, and now the watermark has been removed from my video and this is the result. Okay guys, and if you want to download this video, you just need to click on save and the video will be saved to your device. And I'm going to save it as video and click on export. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove watermark from video for free. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.